Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video, I am going back to where I started. I'm going to do some wood earrings today, wood and paper. And this is just paper that I picked up from the craft stores. Nothing fancy. I think I might have got this from Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, one of those places. So I'm just going to be using that. And I'm going to use this for the to glue it. And you know what? And usually when I do this, this is what I would normally do. I would take it, lay it on there, trace it, cut it out, and then glue it on there. But that's take a long time. I'm trying to get done. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do it a little bit different. I'm just going to glue the pieces down to the actual paper, cut them out after they dry, and I don't have a nail file, so I'm just going to be using some sandpaper to sand the edges and get the edges crisp and nice. And then what else am I going to do? Oh yeah, then we got to glaze it, because this thing these got to be some nice shiny earrings. So I'm going to be using some, I think I'm going to use, what is this called? Y'all, I had to go find my bottle. I ain't did this in a while. Okay, it's called Diamond Glaze. That's what I'm going to be using to get them all shiny and glossy. So let's go ahead and get up into this craft. Alright, everybody, so I had to come on here really quickly. I ended up going out and buying a nail file. Now, I will say, this is my first time trying it this way. Like I said, I saw this on TikTok and was like, oh, okay, so that's how they're doing it now. But normally, what I would have done would be just take this, trace it on the paper, cut the shape out, and then just glue it. And let me tell you this, listen, I should have done that. I should have stuck to what I know. I mean, I've been making these earrings. I don't know why I'm coming back and acting like I don't know how. Like, I'm switching things up and I don't like it. Okay, so this is what I got. I mean, it's clean. You know, you're sanding it down. It's clean. It's smooth. Only thing is, this takes forever. Do you hear me? It takes forever. Like, not only do you gotta, okay, so you still gotta cut the shape down. You still gotta cut the paper down. So once you cut the paper down, like this, I got this paper pretty much cut down. Then I gotta go through and sand it all the way down. Like, y'all, what? Is this what we doing now? Are we really out here doing this? Like, I'm not doing this next time. Y'all, this unmotivated me so much. Like, I'm just not gonna do it. But you know what? Hats off to those that do, because this is some real work here. So I just wanted to put that in and have y'all be mindful of that before you even start this project. I would advise you to do it the way I used to do it. Just trace it, cut the shape out, glue it on there. Just do that.
This way a party stop. Look at it, big fella. I like my bits when they play. Oh yeah, he's talking. I seen that coming. I seen that coming. I saw. Like my wife said, don't threaten me with a good time. Hey, don't use that shit.
Alright, you guys, so I am done letting them dry. You guys, look at how shiny they are. Like, y'all, this make no sense. Now, I do have to do the back, and I'm sitting up here and I'm trying to debate, do I want to do a whole coat on the back, or do I just want to do a thin little layer that'll be dry in like 5 minutes? Because y'all, I forgot how long this took to dry. Like, this was a process. But it looks so nice. They got that little glass effect. Love it. You know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Might as well. I'm gonna do the same thing. Yep, I'm gonna do the same thing and then I'll be back. Alright, so they are all the way dry on both sides. Look at that. Let me see if I can zoom in so that you guys can see, like, these things are like shiny. Both sides look like glass. Okay, now for the hole puncher part. Now I can do this 2 ways. I'm trying to decide which way I'm going to do it. I could either use my wood burning tool and just burn a hole all the way through, or I can try to use this hole puncher. But the thing is, with the hole puncher, sometimes it leaves like a circle indent on it. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just try to do it with one that is already mine, because of course I had to make myself a pair. So I'm just going to see how it does. Already it's like kind of too thick to even go in, because that it is, huh? Shut up. Yeah, it's not even gonna go through. Alright, so I'm gonna have to use my wood burning tool.
Well, I got Pippen on that nigga. So what's up? What's up? I got Scotty on that nigga, man. What's up? What's up? He made that shit 2K by going side to side. I'm down for that. I'm gonna be stylish. He made that shit by going side to side. That's crazy.